Welcome to the realm of financial transformation, where ideas spark revolutions. Within the pages of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki introduces two contrasting philosophies shaped by two father figures. Picture a well-educated man, embodying the traditional views of financial security, juxtaposed against a savvy entrepreneur who understands the language of wealth. This book encapsulates their wisdom, offering insights that challenge the conventional path to financial success. Imagine living in a world where money works for you instead of the other way around. Rich Dad inspires us with the notion that true freedom lies in financial literacy. Unlike Poor Dad, who clings to a steady paycheck as life's assurance, Rich Dad envisions a life built on investments and passive income. This fundamental shift in perspective urges readers to recalibrate their relationship with money, allowing them to explore new realms of opportunity beyond the confines of a conventional job. Dive deeper into understanding assets and liabilities, vivid categories that demarcate the wealthy from the struggling. Picture someone accumulating wealth through properties or investments, while another person believes that owning an expensive car qualifies as an asset. This illusion often leads to financial pitfalls. Rich Dad emphasizes that genuine wealth accumulation begins with recognizing what truly adds value to our lives, guiding us to invest wisely rather than merely consume. Transitioning to a job with a business mindset is a pivotal lesson encapsulated in Kiyosaki's work. Imagine utilizing skills gained in traditional employment to seed your entrepreneurial ventures. The narrative doesn't vilify jobs. Rather, it encourages us to elevate our aspirations and harness those experiences towards building wealth sustainably. This mindset equips individuals with resilience, pushing them to risk growth instead of retreating in fear and complacency. As the journey unfolds, Kiyosaki sheds light on the barriers to financial freedom: fear, greed, and ego. Picture overcoming job loss anxiety by embracing education and growth, reshaping your beliefs to foster prosperity. This shift not only influences personal financial strategies, but also injects confidence into decision-making processes. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is not just a narrative. It's a powerful catalyst for a mindset overhaul that could redefine your financial legacy. Embrace the principles outlined within, and take your first step toward financial independence.